that we have coming our way,
down.
Alex. So what stuck out to you on, I mean,
Let's
we're still
discuss.
pretty much right in the ranges that we've been talking about, but
And
as
we
we pick up
discuss
this
Micron,
massive earnings
SanDisk,
week,
West
what's standing
Digital.
out to you?
Yeah, what's standing out to me is just the meltdown in momentum stocks.
If you
It's
keep
not
covered
just
calls,
chips, not
yes, it's
just
better to keep
memory,
it.
it's the entire
Let's see.
infrastructure
Memory.
factor of this AI trade. And, I sent the team, look at that AI infrastructure versus hyperscalers chart, and it's so dramatic still.
Let's see what's
but
happening.
that's like a 25% decline for these chip stocks that you've seen. And what you're starting to see is that those hyperscaler names are starting to, base out, go a little bit more sideways here, if not start to work higher. So what stood out to me was I saw this chart put out by Hedgeye on X, and I retweeted it or reposted it. And
Again,
I'll just read
Western
it.
Digital.
So Goldman has baskets that they put out of different kind of factors or
Next,
stocks.
Micron.
So one of them is a high beta momentum basket. And that basket of stocks is on pace for its worst monthly performance in history. Worst in 2000, worst in 2009, worst in 2008, etc. It's down 37% as of the posting of that chart. So those stocks did bounce a little bit off their lows intraday, but when you kind of go on, financial Twitter, or you go on, someplace, maybe it would be a Reddit or something, and you see kind of the distraught nature of investors at the moment. If you were just a passive index like the S&P 500, you may not even realize that the market some sort of tremendous sell-off. But if you're a stock picker and you're in some of these AI names, like we were talking about Corning today on Next Gen, and we talked about it on Morning Trade Live.
Yeah, subscribe, give like to this video. Let's see Nasdaq leaders.
And that's a one beta stock. That's a stock that's supposed to move
Because Micron,
with the same
all of them
amount
went
kind of
down.
Volatility generally as the overall market.
Too
At least
bad.
that's what it's done historically. It's certainly not doing that right now. And that's not.
Yes,
not
how much
alone,
was your purchase price?
Micron, it's SanDisk, it's SK Hynix since it's been public here in the U.S. It's names like Vertiv, which we're going to get earnings on tomorrow. It's names like Bloom Energy that we're going to talk about in just a little bit. Some of these names, the volatility is truly historic.
I mean, and as we look at the volatility here, I mean, how much of an
subscribe, give like.
increase in
Let's see
vol are
all
you
of them down.
expecting as we get these earnings reports,
Memory
as we
chips.
come into this FOMC decision tomorrow? I mean, Zed Francis was saying to me the Fed historically has tried to make sure they don't have mass volatility events, but we also
subscribe, give like. How much did you buy
Yeah,
for?
and I think this is where it's really important to kind of separate, stock
We recommend to
stock
take profit.
volatility. I'm sure Zed talked about this a little bit too, and the index level volatility. The index level volatility is relatively contained still. It's, if you use the VIX for that metric, it's 18 and a quarter. Use VIX 3M, you want a little bit longer. Look at it, we're still sub 20. Even volatility on volatility is less than 100. So many of these, kind of index level things are relatively contained, but VIX EQ, which looks at the average volatility of a stock in the S&P 500, is almost 50, which is truly, truly remarkable.
All right, let's jump to Seagate here. These earnings coming across the wire right now. As we look at their fourth quarter, it's their fiscal fourth quarter. Their earnings coming in at $5.71.
Seagate.
That's better than the roughly $5.10 that the street was looking for. It's also about double last year. Revenue coming in at $3.63 billion.
Yes, we recommended to investigate.
$3.49 billion. That's up about 40% year over year. As far as their margin numbers, we're looking at an adjusted operating margin for the quarter of 44.6%. That is also better than the 41.9%.
It went up and went
that
down.
the street was looking for. Now, as we look across their outlook here for their fiscal first quarter of 2027, their EPS,
did you invest in memory chips?
$7.30. The estimate was for $5.85, so pretty significant beat in terms of
Memory chip cycle probably is over. Right now it will be down and sideways. Okay, subscribe, give like to this video, and chat is open. You can put questions in chat. And we discuss how to make money, how to buy, what stocks. We discuss immigration, especially USA. Put in chat what country are you from.
Strong fourth quarter exceeded our expectations for revenue and
Wow.
non-GAAP EPS, capping a fiscal 2026, to which we grew annual revenue 34%, delivered record profitability, and generated a record $3.1 billion in free cash flow. Our performance is being driven by robust cloud data center demand and disciplined execution, and we see that momentum continuing into 2027. So, Alex, I mean, we're seeing a really nice, we were seeing a more significant move to the upside here. We're up only about 1% right now. We've got beats across the board in terms of the numbers, better than expected margins, and we've got ranges for their first quarter outlook that are so far above the expectations, particularly for that EPS number. I mean, we're more than $1.50 higher than the expectations. What are your takeaways from these numbers, and what are the questions that you still have?
Yeah, I mean, the biggest question is going to be, can the rallies hold? I mean, even initially, that initial spike seems like it would be the right reaction.
Yes, STX is up, but take a look, Soho.
You don't want to, because I mean,
Yeah,
it
it's
so
down.
quickly. It was down. It does seem
Do
to
you
be
have it?
solidifying
Do you keep it?
slightly here to the upside.
Yeah, subscribe, give like.
But I look at what the market was expecting.
Chart is
coming
open,
into this
yes.
for volatility. It was expecting, based
You said
off
Google?
the market
Okay,
maker
1 second, we
move,
discussed. Google is up.
$80 range up or down. So we're nowhere near that at the moment, even with it, moving pretty steadily higher now, up about $13 from the closing price. But yeah, I mean, the eye-popping number clearly is the first quarter EPS
Yeah, subscribe,
guide.
give like.
It's way above the sub-$6 estimate. Their middle kind of part for that range is $7.30. I mean, these are really, really strong numbers. 4.1 is the midpoint for first quarter revenue. Estimate was for 3.8. It's driven on higher margins. It's driven by higher growth. This is everything you'd want to see in a report. And the stock has pulled back 30% or thereabouts from its high close, which was not that long ago. So, yes, I want to say this is a good report and it should be rewarded, but I want to see. But it does look like it's starting to solidify to the upside, retesting sort of that $200 or the $800 mark at the moment. Stock was also down 8.5% today. So some of this is just simply retracing from the close yesterday.
Yeah, I mean, you're mentioning that too. We were down 8.5% to close out the session. We're up about 5% following the initial reaction to these numbers. The options market, you priced it as dollars. As we're looking at that in percentages, it's about 11% swing in either direction following these results. But I want to flip to KLA Corp because we are seeing a very different reaction from KLA. We're down about 8.5% as these numbers are coming across. They are also in their fiscal fourth quarter. EPS coming in at $1.05. So that's about a nickel better than the expectation. Revenue coming in at $3.66 billion. The expectation was for about 3.6 even. So we'll call that in line to a small beat. CapEx coming in lower at $89.3 million. The expectation was for 96.3. As we look ahead to their guidance, they are expecting an EPS range of $1.06 to $1.26.
Subscribe, give like to this video, and recommend long time to take profit.
Which puts them just slightly above where they came in this quarter, depending on how you look at that. But we're seeing a really strong move to the downside here, Alex. We're now down almost 9% in KLA. That range I mentioned there for their EPS for this current quarter, the expectation was for about $1.10. So that's a little below the midpoint here. So we'll call this in line. They're seeing sales coming in 3.8 to 4.2 billion. The street was looking for about 3.916 billion. So again, in the middle, slightly below the midpoint. But again, we'll call this in line. Now we're down more than 9% in reaction.
It's crazy.
To these
9%.
Is this a case of
Let's see Micron.
Some similar responses we saw today with a company like Corning, where the beat is not enough, the inline guidance is the problem?
Yeah, I think I actually
just
like
sideways. Can I go down? Yes, sure.
KLA is less, I guess, innovative and less volatile generally than like the Nvidias or the AMDs.
It has to be support line here.
They're not the end product. They're kind of the process along the way. And so they're tied to companies like that as they help them
Yes, put
along.
information. What do you trade? What stocks? How much money did you make?
TSMC,
When did you buy?
Consistent revenue as long as demand's still there.
Take a look
so
here.
The same will last for KLA.
It has to be support line. And after that, it can go down. Let's go up more.
The numbers are okay, but it's almost like the street is caught up
It's
to
looking
these expectations. We talked about this a little bit yesterday. Like the surprise component
Can it go up?
isn't really there.
Hope
and if anything,
so.
you look at the guidance. We were picking apart, Broadcom for not, raising guidance enough. I mean, the
hope it can go up.
is barely even a beat in this case.
It depends
so
when did you
I
buy.
would call this
If your
in-line
average is
guidance
200-300,
for a stock
it's
that's
fine.
had
Keep
a
it.
tremendous run, typically a little bit less volatile than some of its end market peers.
Yes, put in comments, when did you
but
buy?
it's
How
still
much
very
money
tied
did you
to this
make?
AI trade, and it's
Let's see,
being punished today. I mean,
Clark.
down 6%, and you're down another, $20 in the post market here. So we're looking at another 10% plus decline.
Yeah, we're looking down almost 11% right now. The options market was pricing in about a 9%
Wow,
move for this
11%.
name post earnings. So a little bit more than expected for right now for KLA Corp. They did beat on the top
And
bottom line,
Soho
but
is
in
down.
line guidance
Okay, subscribe,
here.
give
Lots of
like.
questions on this
See you
call.
tomorrow.
I want to
Okay?
shift here though to Ford. We've got Ford coming out of the board. We're seeing Ford move to the upside by about 4%. EPS